Hi everyone, so today Stephanie, Lolita, and I will be talking about floss, different types of floss, and the flossing technique. So why do we floss? So brushing isn't the only method of effectively cleaning our teeth. Flossing is one of the major oral health care needs in your oral daily hygiene. Stated by the CDHA, flossing alone removes 80% of bacteria and plaque that a toothbrush can't reach. So how do we properly floss? We use the C-shape technique. So stated by the CDHA, using the C-flossing technique is the most effective way for flossing your teeth. You will first start by getting at 18 inches of floss and wrap it around your middle finger. With using your index finger, guide the floss into the contacts of your teeth using a seesaw motion. Once between the contacts of the teeth, create a C shape by wrapping the floss on one side of the tooth. Once you create the C shape, use an up and down motion along the side of the tooth to remove plaque. So here is a diagram to better your understanding of the C flossing technique. Now I'll be showing you guys a video of the C flossing technique.
Flossing is a critical part of caring for your smile, and most of us don't do it enough. That could be because we don't know the proper way to do it. Take a minute and follow these simple instructions. Take about 18 inches of floss and wind most of it around the middle finger of one hand. Take the rest and wind it around the other middle finger of the other hand. Pinch the floss between your thumbs and forefingers, leaving 1 to 2 inches in between. Gently guide floss between two teeth by using a zigzag motion. Do not snap the floss between your teeth. If the floss is hard to get between your teeth, ask your dentist or hygienist about the variety of floss holders or interdental cleaning devices that are available. When the floss reaches the gum line, curve it into a C shape around the side of the tooth. Slide floss up and down against the tooth surface and under the gum line. Repeat for each tooth, including the back side of your molars. Floss each tooth thoroughly with a clean section of floss. Flossing every day is one of the best ways to care for your smile. Find out more. Visit UnitedConcordia.com.
Here are some popular types of floss. There is the expanding floss, which helps to clean hard to reach areas which have large gaps between your teeth. Once it becomes wet, it will become larger, so it will be able to properly clean the large contacts in your teeth. Next is the ease through. It's coated with a non-stick surface so that it can easily glide in between the tight contacts of your teeth. Butler weave. It's a very strong floss that is shred resistant, so for those of you who floss and it just becomes a mess with all the shredding, this is a great floss for you to use. So here are some popular brand names of floss. There's Oral-B, Glide, Dentex, Plackers, Gum, Reach, and Listerine. The price range for floss can range from $1.50 to $5. Walmart, you can get floss for $1.50 to $3.98. Shoppers Drug Mart, $1.69 to $4.25. And Amazon for $3.54 to $4.25 plus shipping. So there's some advantages and disadvantages to flossing. For advantages, it obviously improves your oral health. It reduces and prevents gum disease. And being able to perform the proper C flossing technique. Disadvantages, if you're not able to perform the proper C flossing technique, you can end up cutting your gums, and if you wrap the floss around your finger too tight, you'll cut the circulation. And with floss, it can be hard to reach the posterior parts of your teeth. So who's our target audience for flossing? Everyone. Everyone should floss. So now I'll be talking about floss threaders. Floss threaders are designed for fixed bridges involving abutment teeth and pontics, orthodontic appliances, implants, as well as lingual bars. So here are some demos I'm going to be showing you of how floss threaders are used. So here's it showing. It's using the floss threader to pull the floss through in between the teeth. So you're able to floss where there's a lingual bar. The next video will be if you have
Dentech presents
braces.
Floss Threaders. Use approximately 16 inches of dental floss. Pass floss threader through space between teeth or under braces. Pull 4 to 5 inches of floss through the loop in the threader. Remove floss from the threader and begin normal flossing. Dentech Floss Threaders. Flossing made easy for hard.
And this last video will be for bridges.
Your bridge is designed with 2 teeth that can retain the tooth replacement. The use of a floss threader is essential to clean below and adjacent to the tooth replacement.
So some brand names for the floss threaders are Gum, Dentech, Oral-B, Bridge-Aid, Glide, and Life. The price range can range between $2 and $13. You can buy them at Walmart for $2.98, Shoppers for $3.49, and Amazon for $5.62, and can range up towards $12.01 plus shipping. So for target audience is anyone who has bridges and orthodontic appliances.